so much success in the last few shows. And we see the crowd, we see the populations that come into the show. It's amazing.
If I have to describe MRO Asia Pacific event, it's gonna be informative.
It's one of the key regions of the world. And the MRO simply gives us the pleasure and the opportunity as a platform to meet our partners and our airline customers.
It's so exciting to be here for the first time. We're seeing companies we've not met with and are able to network with here, and especially we're able to visit our customers in person here. Otherwise, we'd have to go to them, so everybody's coming here, gathering together.